Welcome, welcome to all. Today discuss the topic of arithmetic mean, continuous series of step deviation method in cumulative series. For example, marks for x, frequency of f. The marks for less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70 and less than 80. Therefore, to convert the class interval type. Also the frequency of 5, 8, 10, 15, 20, 22, 25, 30. Therefore to cumulative frequencies. So they apply the formula for shortcut method. X bar is equal to a plus or minus sum of fd dash divided by n into c. X bar is equal to mean, sum of fd dash is equal to sum of total. N is equal to number of frequency or observation. F is equal to frequency. M is equal to mid value. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. D for deviations, A for assumed mean, C for class interval. Therefore, to prepare the table for 5 columns, column number 1 for x, and column number 2 for frequency f, and column number 3 for midpoint or mid value m, and column number 4 for d dash m minus a divided by c, and final one for f into d dash for f d dash. So to fill up the first column for x series, so less than 10 for marks and less than 20 and less than 30. Therefore the marks to rise the 10. So less than 10, 0 to 10. So first class interval for 0 to 10. The 10 is the upper limit of previous frequency, but next class interval for 10 is a lower limit. Therefore highest limit for 20. So increasing 10 level, so 10 to 20 and 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. Therefore 80 less than 80, therefore 80 is the upper limit, 70 is the lower limit. So therefore 70 to 80. The frequency for 5 for less than 10, so first frequency of 5, same value is appear from frequency value of 5, and the next frequency of 10 to 20, therefore 10 to 20, so current frequency value is less from previous frequency, so therefore 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, and 20 to 30, therefore current frequency minus previous, therefore 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, and 30 to 40, therefore 15 minus 10 is equal to 5, 40 to 50, therefore 20 minus 15 is equal to 5, and 50 to 60, therefore 22 minus 20, therefore 2, and 60 to 70, 25 minus 22 is equal to 3. And last for class interval was 70 to 80, therefore current frequency 30, previous frequency 25, so current frequency less previous frequency, so 30 minus 25 is equal to 5. So to sum up the frequency value for 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 and plus 5, therefore n is equal to 30. Sum of the n is equal to total number of observation or frequency is equal to 30. And next for midpoint, the lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Therefore lower limit for 0, upper limit for 10. Therefore 0 plus 10 divided by 2 it's equal to 5. The next class interval for 10 to 20. Therefore 10 is a lower limit, 20 is a upper limit. Therefore 10 plus 20 divided by 2 it's equal to 50. The next class interval for 20 to 30, 20 is a lower limit, 30 is the upper limit. Therefore 20 plus 30 divided by 2 is equal to 25. The next class interval for 30 to 40, 30 is a lower limit, 40 is the upper limit. Therefore 30 plus 40 divided by 2 is equal to 35. The next class interval for 40 to 50, therefore 40 is a lower limit, 50 is the upper limit. Therefore 40 plus 50 divided by 2 it's equal to 45. And the next class interval for 50 to 60, therefore 50 is a lower limit, 60 is the upper limit. Therefore 50 plus 60 divided by 2 it's equal to 55. And 60 to 70, 60 is a lower limit, 70 is the upper limit. Therefore 60 plus 70 divided by 2 it's equal to 65. interval for 70 to 80. Therefore 70 as a lower limit, 80 as the upper limit. Therefore 70 plus 80 divided by 2, it's equal to 75. So to next column for D dash, m minus a divided by c. M for midpoint, a for assumed mean, c for class interval. Therefore a it's equal to assumed mean. To take any one value for m series, so I take a 45 as a assumed mean. So m minus a divided by c for class interval, the 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Therefore the class interval increasing the trend for 10, so it's class interval for 10. So m minus a divided by c, it's equal to d dash. So 5 minus 45 divided by 10, it's equal to minus 4. 15 minus 45 divided by 10, it's equal to minus 3. And 25 minus 45 divided by 10, it's equal to minus 2. And 35 minus 45 divided by 10, it's equal to minus 2. And 45 minus 45 divided by 10, it's equal to 0. And 55 minus 45 divided by 10, it's equal to 1. And 65 minus 45 divided by 10, it's equal to 2. 75 minus 45 divided by 10, it's equal to 3. So last column for f into d dash for f d dash. So 5 into minus 4, it's equal to minus 20. 3 into minus 3, it's equal to minus 9. 2 into minus 2, it's equal to minus 4. 5 into minus 1, it's equal to minus 5. 5 into 0, it's equal to 0. 2 into 1, it's equal to 2. 3 into 2, it's equal to 6. 5 into 3, it's equal to 15. Therefore to sum up the ft dash, to add the positive and negative value separately, to first add the positive value 15 plus 6 plus 2, and separately to add the 5 plus 4 plus 9 plus 20. Therefore fd dash, it's equal to 23 minus 38. Therefore fd dash, it's equal to minus 15. So fd dash, the sum of total minus 15, n it's equal to 30, a for assumed mean 45, c for class interval 10. So to apply the formula, x bar it's equal to a plus or minus sum of fd dash divided by n into c. A for assumed mean 45 and sum of fd dash for minus 15. So to put the simple for minus in formula, and 15 divided by 30 into 10. Therefore 15 divided by 30 into 10, it's equal to 5. So x bar it's equal to 45 minus 5. So x bar it's equal to 40. Thank you.